Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to have a little bit of a different video, but the weather, you probably can't even tell, but it's still a little bit wet. So for what I wanted to do, I'm not able to do that. So we're just gonna have another little POV drive. If you look right here, let's not show my brother's school pictures. If you look right here, I took all the ricer mods off the charger. If you have not seen those videos, go check it out. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the car. I'm gonna get a little cold start for you guys, and then yeah, let's get this video going. I officially got all the ricer mods off. Again, if you guys haven't seen those videos, you need to go check them out. But we're gonna get a little cold start. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2019 Charger RT. She's a little dirty, but yeah, so I'll catch you guys inside the car. Alrighty, so I'm gonna try and up my tone because I'm a little bit tired today, but I'm gonna try not to sound so tired. So yeah, it kind of sucks. I wanted to do a little bit of a 0 to 60 test video and get, you know, some good shots of that, but that obviously didn't work out. There's no point in testing my 0 to 60 whenever my tires are getting wet, so I decided against that. But hey, it's fine. These POV drive videos actually tend to do well, so I won't complain. But yeah, let's go ahead and get a little sound clip real quick of the car. Sounds super good because there's all this area. All these fences around, so it sounds pretty good. I'm not gonna make this video too long today, actually. It's just gonna be kind of like a quick little POV drive, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. I'm not sure exactly how long, but not super long. We're just gonna do some neighborhood driving. I'm gonna save my next POV drive I'm gonna do. It's gonna be more of a highway drive because I have not done one of those. I tend to do a lot of the back road driving because it's always a lot prettier. But I know some of you guys probably want to see how the car performs on the highway. Well, let's see if we can terrify this. Okay, wait, let me chill out. I think it's a school zone. It is. Let me calm down. I'm sitting here acting up. I'm gonna get a ticket. We'll even make a complete stop, just like so. Is it a school zone? I can't tell. I love breaking necks in this car with the exhaust. I mean, you don't even realize how loud it actually is. But you know, it's pretty loud. I'm gonna try to get a few more sound clips than I did before, because last time I did a lot of talking and not so much on the sound clips. What is that? An EcoBoost? Speaking of EcoBoost, okay, I'm sorry, I know I'm talking a lot. So my sister has a EcoBoost. I was wondering if you guys would possibly want to see me do a POV drive and kind of a review and what my thoughts are on, like what my thoughts on the EcoBoost Mustang are. And if you would, just let me know down in the comments below. Like, I don't know if there's like a big EcoBoost crowd or whatever, but you know, if there is, I'm always down to do that. I've been considering it for a while, but I just haven't done it. Yeah, we'll go this way, even though there's a car in front. So with the windows down, I mean, oh, I think I flicked my GoPro back a little. I hope not. That'd that'd be unfortunate. No, I didn't. Yeah, I mean, in the cab, it's definitely like much quieter with the windows down, obviously, but it's still like just that rumble, like the V8, like even just regularly driving. I mean, this is with the valves open, so in like the 2019 and up RTs, which mine is a 2019, you got the, you know, the full exhaust that like the Scats have, all that, and it has the option where you can open and close the exhaust baffles, so, or whatever they're called, exhaust. You can open and close the exhaust, that's all I'm gonna say. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice, just being able to control how loud you want your car. Hold on, let's see if I can. She didn't even turn around. Those bikers, I swear to God, are immune to anything. You can literally drive like 2 inches from them, they don't even bat an eye. They just own the road. And in this neighborhood, they're putting so many lakes, just, oh wow, they just threw a monster out the car. There's so many lakes, just, they're building a lake every like 6 feet. Like, if there's open space, they put a lake there. Ooh, a construction guy, can I terrify him? It's a little bit on the cooler side today, and I always feel that my car it's just a proven fact that it does perform the best on cooler days, but this is my first year having this car, so it's like one of the, you know, it's just now cooling down here in Texas a lot, so I'm definitely getting the full experience, which I like a lot. And I feel like it makes more power. I mean, it probably doesn't, to be honest with you, but in my head it does, and I think that's all that matters, right? So at least, I mean, it probably makes more power, or makes power more efficiently on a power band, but probably not enough to feel, at least. I really don't want to sit here at this light. I wanted to make a U-turn, but it doesn't seem that that's an option. Ooh, like I said, there's gonna be a little bit of, whoa, went a little sideways there. Kinda not intentional. I wanted to just go around a little fast, but hey, I won't complain. Speaking of, I think my alignment is messed up because my front right or left, I don't remember, my front right or left tire is just like worn on the outside. The other one isn't, so I need to go and get that checked out because no one really wants their tires to be wearing unevenly. Although the tires I bought are soft compound, and so I knew they weren't gonna last long. Just kind of sucks because I haven't even really done anything in these tires, and here we are. It's fine, I'll figure it out. I once came back here and did a for my Instagram. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, I'm gonna put the little @ right here. Go follow it because I post a lot of updates on there, and also if you do not have my notifications turned on, you'll be able to see whenever I post, because I post on Instagram every time that I post a YouTube video. Oh good lord, we're going 3 miles an hour. So yeah, go follow the Instagram. I've never actually put that in a video. I usually put it in the description, but I know I don't read descriptions, so it's not very likely that you do either. But yeah, I used to just post videos on Instagram for I don't really know why, and now I resorted to YouTube. I enjoy YouTube. What gear are we in? Because it is, we're in second. Watch how fast we can come up on this car. Oh my lord. Oh, that was my phone. My phone didn't like that. It just flew. Holy Jesus, can we stop going 20? Let's just go left because this isn't very fun. I've actually never been down, oh geez. It seems to be more of a homed area, so I don't really want to speed. I'm fine with speeding on the roads that I know, and know that there's not going to be children playing on, but this I'm not entirely sure. So let's go left. What seems to be over here? Another lake. I swear to God, they are putting lakes everywhere. Like you can go deeper in the neighborhood and find more lakes. I pretty much just turned this way to get away from that car that was going 20 and give myself some space. Just because I'm filming and no one wants to watch me go a constant 20. I mean, I know I don't have to go very fast, but I like to do some accelerating. So I don't know why I did that. I'm gonna kill myself. I wonder if there's fish in here. I might try to go fishing. I swear if I got a bigger platform, I would have a channel for everything in my life, like a Jacob Hates Gaming channel, because I play a ton of Madden, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of dog water, but it's okay. But I would still make a channel just because I feel like I get angry and people enjoy to watch that. But I would rather focus on this channel for the time being. But I also really love to go fishing, and at the beginning of COVID, I was going all the time. And now I just don't have time to go. I work. These videos take a lot of my time. If this YouTube stuff worked out, first thing I'm doing is hiring an editor, because it takes so much time, which is, like I said in my previous POV drive video, why I actually enjoy making these, is because they're so easy to edit. I mean, I know y'all are probably getting tired of the POV drive, which is really understandable. But it brings a lot of new people to my channel because it's a widely searched term. So I do apologize for my already here subscribers that probably want to see something different. But I also know there's some of y'all who are subscribed to me just for my POV drive videos, which is also, you know, cool with me. And I hope y'all are glad that I'm able to put this content out right now, because the video I wanted to film is going to be a little different. Yeah, and I know that I spoke on, you know, only uploading Friday and Monday, but I mean, in terms of other channels that might work for like a more vlogging style channel, you know, you can film certain, like, every day, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't do much in a day. And so, like, I look, and my videos that get hyped for about 2 days, and then I just sit there with like little, like, barely any views for the next 5 days. So it's like, it seems really counterproductive whenever I could just have that, you know, video every 2 days, even one every other, like, every day, just to get some of that, you know, hype that my videos get in the first bit. My POV drive video did good, and then my video about, you know, me trolling people at the car meets did good. But my last video, where I spent 3 hours editing it, where I talked about, is Dodge gonna go electric, which, if you haven't seen it, I recommend y'all go watch it, because I actually did some research for that video. It's at like 50 views, and that's really nothing. I mean, I'm thankful that I can say that, and it doesn't sound like a lot to y'all, but I used to get, like, you know, 2, 3, maybe 20 views if I was lucky on my videos. But now I feel that I have a little bit of a higher expectation, and my channel is still very, very, very small. Hopefully, you know, we can quintuply, whatever. We can make it multiply by 100. Well, even then, that'd only be 10K. Multiply by 1,000, whatever, that's 100K. And yeah, so hopefully we can get that going. I'm beyond, I don't remember what I was talking about. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close out the video. We'll get one more sound clip for you guys real quick, just for a little ending. Hold on. I don't want these people to get angry with me. Let's go ahead and roll down the windows. sport and act like that was not us. Because there's people walking and they like to get angry. So we're just gonna keep it at a cool 30 and we act like we don't know who that was. Oops. Luckily my car is has that little dynamic feature, turn off the exhaust. But anyway, that's gonna end out the video. It's just a short little video. I wanted to get a few sound clips in there, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna close it out. If you guys did enjoy this video, please like, leave a comment, like I said earlier, about would you guys like to see me do the EcoBoost Mustang POV drive / car review? And if so, yeah, just leave a comment and subscribe. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.